The words for, during, and while can all be used to talk about time. Their meanings can be similar and easy to confuse. In this video, I'll explain the difference and show you the grammar rules for using these three words with natural examples. Keep watching. For is used with a period of time to show how long something happens. I waited at the restaurant for 1.5 hours. During is used with a time to say when something happens. I took some great photos during my trip. While shows when something happens at the same time as something else is happening. I fell asleep while I was watching TV. Some more examples. For is a preposition that is used with a period of time to show how long something happens. I lived in Tokyo for 11 years. I've been sitting in this shrine for 45 minutes. During is also a preposition that is used to say when something happens. During is followed by a noun. I fell asleep during the movie. I bought some popcorn during the intermission. The meaning of during is very similar to the meaning of while, but the grammar is different. While is a conjunction that means at the same time as something else is happening. While is followed by a subject and a verb. Michael listens to music while he studies. You shouldn't watch TV while you eat dinner. Some key differences. For and during. Remember, for is used to show how long something happens. I stayed in Hawaii for 10 days. During is used to show when something happens. I watched 2 movies during the flight to Hawaii. During and while. During is used with a noun or a noun phrase. Roger ate too much during his vacation. While is used with a subject and a verb. Roger ate too much while he was on vacation. Visit the blog post that supports this video and take my for, during, and while interactive quiz. Test your English with these 6 questions. Learn more examples too. You'll find a link to this blog post in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.